Hey everybody, what's up? It's PWS Phil. I'm not usually one to do videos like this, but you guys might have heard that there's been like strange noises supposed to be the end of the world. I personally didn't buy it myself, but today I actually heard the noises. They've been going on and off. I thought it was like a storm or some shit going on, but I've been hearing them on and off. Like, you can kind of hear it now if you take a look. I don't know what the fuck that is, but it's really intense. I don't know that it comes across fully on video, but it's really loud and it's very disturbing. But like I said, I wasn't one to believe in this, but I'm hearing it now and it's pretty fucking crazy. This is February 19th, 2012 here in Lowell, Mass, and I mean, you just heard these sounds. I don't know what they are, but you never know. It might be the end of the world as we know it. If anybody has any real ideas what this is, I'd love to know. Leave me a comment below. Thanks, guys.